the importance of medical treatment to your injury case. Now, a lot of times it doesn't make any sense, but a lot of times insurance companies don't make any sense. What insurance companies do is they use medical treatment, your medical bills, often to determine the value of your claim and even how much they should pay you for your pain and how the injury has affected your life. So, how do you fight back against that? First thing is to make sure you get evaluated medically. If you're in a crash, or you're injured in a fall, the longer you wait to get evaluated, the easier it is for the insurance company to say you were hurt in some other way. You fell down the stairs at home, you had an accident at work, something happened other than injury that they are responsible for. Second thing you do to protect yourself, if you're in a car crash, is to use your medical payments coverage in your car insurance. Now, this is counterintuitive because most people think, wait, I didn't cause the crash. Why should my insurance pay? It's complicated. We have another video actually on this issue, but using your medical payments coverage forces the insurance company to treat your injury more fairly for what it is and what the true cost of that injury is. After your medical payments coverage is exhausted, or if you don't have medical payments coverage in your car insurance, then you use your health insurance. And if you're in a situation where you don't have either of those, or you don't have a way to pay for medical bills, make sure you're speaking to your attorney because things get complicated, but there's almost always a path forward. The third thing that you do to protect yourself is to do exactly what your doctors and therapists tell you to do. So, if the insurance company sees that you miss an appointment, that you didn't do your exercises at home that the therapist told you to do, you didn't do them as religiously as you were told to do, the insurance company can argue that your injury is actually the result of what you did or what you didn't do. So if your doctor gives you a list of things to avoid, make sure you avoid them. Otherwise, the insurance company can say that what you're suffering, your pain, your medical bills, continued medical treatment, lost wages, it's all because of what you did. There's actually a concept in Indiana law called failure to mitigate damages, which is all about that. And so you want to take that argument away from them by following every single order that your doctor and your therapist tell you to do. And following your doctor's orders is pretty good advice always in life, regardless of whether you've been injured. And in the event that there's ever a situation where what is best for you medically is different from what's best for you legally, always do what's best for yourself medically. That's always more important than a lawsuit. But in almost every situation, what is best for you medically is actually what is also best for you legally, because it limits how the insurance companies can twist your medical records and what's happened to their advantage, and then ultimately not give you the compensation that you deserve. If you have any questions about any of this, you can call me. Remember, be safe out there and look out for each other.